Good evening, children. Madhumita, Netra, Danya, and Srijana. Good evening. Good evening, children.
Good evening.
Good evening. So to begin today's class, we are going to take up a small test. You can see the questions on the screen. My screen is visible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children. Please start working. I have the answers ready with me. As soon as you finish the test, we can see the answers also. I'm right here. I'm just putting myself on mute. But I'll be right here, children. Any questions you can ask me. All right? Is the answer with the first one ready, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What's your answer?
10.38, ma'am.
10.38.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Others?
Ma'am, I got 138.
9.2.
So one by one. Yeah. Madhumita?
138.4 centimeters square.
Okay. Netra?
Ma'am, 69.2 centimeters square.
Tanishka?
Ma'am, now when I join my class now, I'm trying to do it now.
All right. All right. Okay. Fine. Okay. So we have three different answers from, the three of you. And the correct answer is 138. Who got 138? Madhumita, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Netra and Danya, please check your, mistake. Just see where you could have gone wrong. And if you don't understand, please share your answer on WhatsApp. Let me check.
Ma'am, I stopped with 69.2 centimeters square, ma'am. That's why I didn't touch.
Netra, is it? Netra.
Yes, ma'am.
Netra, that is the area of one triangle. A parallelogram has two identical triangles along its diagonal. A parallelogram has two identical triangles along its diagonal. So you can see the diagonal AC. So you have two triangles ABC, ADC. The area of ABC and ADC is the same. So we found ABC, so double it.
Yes,
Because the
ma'am.
area of ADC is also the same. Because you can see the sides will be the same again. What will be the sides? In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So this is 10 and this is 14. So again, you have to find the area of a triangle whose sides are 10, 14 and 16. That's what we just found. 10, 14 and 16. The sides of this triangle are also 10, 14 and 16. So you would obviously get the same answer, 69.2. So you can simply double it to get the area of the parallelogram. Okay, nice that Netra found her mistake. What about Danya?
Ma'am, actually, instead of multiplying 40 into 1.73, I did like 3 into 1.73.
3 into 1.73, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
But how did you get 3 then here instead of 40?
No, ma'am. I actually the root 3 is 1.73 now.
Correct.
I just got confused with that, and instead of multiplying 40, I just done with 3.
Oh. Okay, otherwise no other problem, right, Danya? You're clear?
No, ma'am. All
Okay, fine.
steps are correct except that last one.
Okay, fine. All right, please correct your answer. Tanishka, please take a screenshot.
Yes.
Yeah. So you can be with the class, Tanishka. Start the second one. You can work the first one later. Now that you have the screenshot, you can work it later. Please do the second one with your friends. Finish the second one, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
What's the perimeter?
64 centimeter.
Centimeter square.
64. What are the sides of the triangle? The equal. What is the measure of the equal sides of the triangle?
20, ma'am.
20. Okay. Have you got a quadratic equation or something, or you use Pythagoras theorem?
Pythagoras theorem.
Have you got a quadratic equation?
I use Pythagoras theorem.
Yes, ma'am. I too used Pythagoras theorem.
Using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Read out your steps, children. Let me see what you've done. Danya.
Yes, ma'am. First,
Yeah.
I used area of triangle, half into base into height, ma'am.
Yeah. One second. Sorry. Yeah. So area of triangle ABC is equal to 192 centimeters square, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So half into base, that is BC into AD is equal to 192. Then
And then we know that BC is equal to 24 centimeter. So 1 by 2 into 24 into AD is equal to 192, ma'am.
okay.
2 1s are and 2 12s are 24, ma'am.
Okay, so AD is equal to 192 by 12.
Which is 16 centimeter, ma'am.
16 centimeters. Very good. Okay, then
Then
so
by
now,
use
now in this
Pythagoras,
triangle, ADC, you know that this is 16 and how much is this? 12, right?
12 centimeter.
Yeah. But how do you know that this is 12?
Ma'am, base
12 by 24.
12 by
I mean,
24.
24 by 2.
base by 2.
24 by
2, ma'am.
2, ma'am.
why? Why?
Ma'am, we took
Because it's a right angle triangle, it's 90 degrees, the perpendicular bisector.
No. Yeah, tell me. Somebody else?
Pythagorean triplet, ma'am.
Ma'am, we took only half part of the triangle, so we need to.
But how do you know that it's a midpoint? How do you know D is the midpoint?
Ma'am,
How do you
line
know?
80 bisect C.
How do you know that? That may be true, but it's not given anywhere.
We have already found the height using.
Yeah, we have found the height. That's my question is, how do you know BD and DC are 12 centimeters each? Okay, because you must write the justification. Justification is triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. By what rule?
RHS.
RHS congruence criterion. RHS congruence rule. So now completed. Therefore,
BD is equal to CD, ma'am.
BD is equal to CD. Reason?
By
CPCT,
CPC.
ma'am.
CPCT. Yeah. Because right angle, both the triangles are right triangles, so R hypotenuse AB is equal to AC because isosceles triangle. So AB is equal to AC, isosceles triangle. And then some other side, AD is equal to AD, common side. That's how we get D as the midpoint of BC. BD is equal to CD. So now in this triangle ADC, we know that AD, we found AD is 16 centimeters, DC is 12 centimeters. So we need to find AC. We need to find AC. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. I'm sure after this you've all done it right. So 16 square plus 12 square, 144 plus, sorry, 256 plus 144. 256 plus 144, 400. So AC is equal to square root of 400. AC is equal to 20 centimeters. So perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to sum of all the sides AB plus BC plus AC. So AB is how much? AB is 20, 20, BC is 24 plus 20, which is 64 centimeter. Correct, children?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yeah. One second, children. I'll show you the next question. Yeah. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the answer for the third one?
3,528.
3,528. Very good. What about the others? Are you getting the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Semi-perimeter is 36. Area is 36 root 6 into 2.45, which is 88.2. So that's the area of one tile. The area of one tile is 88.2 centimeters square. The design is made up of 16 tiles. So the area of the design or the area of 16 tiles is equal to 16 into 88.2, which is 1411.2. The cost of polishing, the rate of polishing is 2.5 per centimeter square. 1 centimeter square, 2.5 rupees. Then 1411.2 centimeters square, how many rupees? So you'll have to multiply the area by the rate to get the total cost of polishing. What about the next one, children? Done? Anybody wants to take a picture can take. What about this? Working or you finished this? Children, finish this one or you're still working?
Working, ma'am.
Or you want to show me the answer? You want me to show the answer so that you can have a look and then work?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah. See you. So first it is the original length of the side, original area, new side, new area. See, that is the sequence. Original side, original area, new side, new area. The difference is the increase in area. And the percentage increase formulas increase in area by the original area into 100. The answer, the flow of the answer is like this. Original side of the triangle, original area of the triangle. New side of the triangle, new area of the triangle. Then you have original area and new area. So increase in area. Then once you find the increase in area, percentage increase in areas increase by original into 100. Okay. Please work. Finished, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it understood? We've already done this sum in the class, children, which is why I'm not explaining. But if you have any question or if you want me to do it again, I can do it. We just call the original area as delta and the new area as delta dash. Root 3 by 4 a square, the original area, we call it delta, which is represented by the triangle symbol. That's read as delta. And the new area, we call it delta dash. And you see that delta dash is 9 times the area of the original triangle. 9 times root 3 by 4 a square. Delta dash is 9 times delta. So the original area is delta and the new area is 9 delta. Original area delta, new area 9 delta. So the increase in area is 8 delta. So the increase percent is increase, which is 8 delta, by the original area, which is delta, into 100. That's how we find the percentage, which is 800%. Important question, children. We have done similar questions where the sides of a triangle are doubled, quadrupled. You should find the percentage increase in the area of the triangle if each side of the triangle is doubled. We have seen a question like that. And also find the percentage increase in the area of a triangle if each side is quadrupled. All right, these are important questions. I think this we finished on the last class. Yes. Yeah, this we finished in the last class. We finished this also, right, children, in the last class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
What about this one? No, I don't think we did this. I think we have to continue from here. Yeah, start this one. The perimeter of a triangle is 50 centimeters. One side of a triangle is 4 centimeters longer than the smaller side. And the third side is 6 centimeters less than twice the smaller side. Find the area of the triangle. So see here, one side, see, we'll just write in short, we'll try to make mathematical equations from the information we read. See here, one side of the triangle, one side of a triangle is means equal to 4 centimeters longer than the smaller side, Give me a minute, children. Please write down the question. I'll get back to you.
Ma'am, we had
Yeah.
done this earlier, ma'am.
We finished this, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. What about this one?
Yes, ma'am. Finished.
Oh, yeah, right. I finished this also. Correct? Yeah, I finished this too. Oh, we have to continue from here. Yeah. The perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 32 centimeters. The ratio of one of the equal sides to its base. So this is one of the equal sides. The first one, the first number represents one of the equal sides. And this is about the base. The ratio of one of the equal sides to its base is 3:2. So the equal side, if it is 3x, the base is 2x. The other equal side is another 3x. Equal sides are 3x and 3x. Because the ratio between one of the equal sides and the base is 3:2. So if one of the equal sides is 3x, the base is 2x. So the other equal side is also 3x. So these are the sides of the triangle. So these are the sides of the triangle. The perimeter is given. So you can easily work with that information, perimeter, and find x, and hence find the sides and then find the area. Work this, children. Write down the question and work this. So one of the equal sides to the base. 3x is to 2x. The other equal side is also 3x. So 3x, 3x, and 2x are the sides. Please work this.
Ma'am, but how do we know which number points to the ratio of the base and which number to the equal side?
The order, see here. The ratio of one of the equal sides to its base. So first number, this first number 3 represents the equal side and the second number represents the base. Like for example, when we say the ratio of the boys to girls, the ratio of the boys to girls in a class is 4:5. So boys 4 parts, girls 5 parts. Is that your question, Madhumita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You got it? Okay. So the first number goes to whatever is mentioned first, and the second number goes to whatever is mentioned next. So the ratio of one of the equal sides to its base. So one of the equal sides, 3x, base 2x. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
One
Yes?
minute. One
Okay.
minute.
Yeah, yeah.
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah. So here we have to find the perimeter of an isosceles right-angled triangle having A as each of the equal sides. Find the perimeter of an isosceles right-angled triangle having A as each of the equal sides. So equal sides are the legs. This is the base. I have spoken about this in an isosceles right-angled triangle, meaning two sides are equal plus one angle is a right angle. Isosceles, two sides are equal. Right angled, meaning one angle is a right angle. And we know that in a right angled triangle, the hypotenuse is the longest side. The longest side, which cannot be equal to any other side of the triangle. The hypotenuse is the longest side in a right triangle. So that means that cannot be any of the equal side. So these are the two equal sides. And this is the hypotenuse, which is the base. Because in an isosceles triangle, the base is the side which is not any of the equal sides. When we say the base of an isosceles triangle, we are referring to that side which is not any of the equal sides. Which means the base of an isosceles right angle triangle is its hypotenuse. The equal sides are the legs. The legs are the equal sides. And the hypotenuse is the base. Now each side is equal to A. So using Pythagoras theorem, you can find AC, the third side AC, which is root 2 A units. Now the perimeter is the sum of the three sides, A plus root 2A. So 2A plus root 2A. Root 2A is common. So root 2 plus 1. Or you can write it like this, like meaning, see, like we write 2A, right? We write A and its coefficient 2. So I'm just putting this 2 behind. I'm just writing the numerical part first. Root 2 into root 2 plus 1 of A. Just putting this, take this A behind, right behind. Like we write 15A. We don't write A15, right? Or we don't write A15 and then B like this. So it's always written as 15AB. In the same way, see, we have A here. So we're trying to put the numerical part in the front like this. Root 2 into root 2 plus 1. This A is shifted back, A units. Right on, children? Done, children?
Completed, ma'am.
All right. What about the others?
Completed, ma'am.
Very
Completed,
good.
ma'am.
All right, children.
Completed.
All right, yeah. Look at this question. The difference between the semi-perimeter, that is S, and the sides of a triangle ABC are 8, 7, and 5. That means the difference between the semi-perimeter and the sides. So semi-perimeter S, the difference means minus, and the sides A, B, C are 8, 7, and 5. So these are the three equations, children. These are the three equations. The difference means minus. The difference between what? Semi-perimeter and the sides of the triangle ABC. So semi-perimeter, we know a triangle has three sides. So we'll write semi-perimeter 3 times. Difference meaning minus. And the difference between the semi-perimeter and the sides of the triangle. The difference between the semi-perimeter and the first side, the difference between the semi-perimeter and the second side, the difference between the semi-perimeter and the third side. The difference is given to be 8 in 7 and then 5. Are the three equations understood, children? S minus A is equal to 8, S minus B is equal to 7, S minus C is equal to 5. Okay, fine. Now add the three equations. Okay, fine. What's the question? Sorry, respectively. Find the area of the triangle. The question is to find the area of the triangle. Add the three equations. So what does it give you? S plus S plus S is 3S. Minus A, minus B, minus C is equal to 20. 15 plus 5, 20. Simply add the three equations, you get this. Now take out minus common here. Take out minus common. So you'll get A plus B plus C in the bracket is equal to 20. Now what is A plus B plus C in a triangle? It's nothing but the perimeter. And perimeter is nothing but twice the semi-perimeter. A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C means perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter. And what is perimeter? It is twice the semi-perimeter. Perimeter means twice the semi-perimeter. Or children, see here, look, listen to this. See here, what is S? S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. What do you get when you cross multiply? A plus B plus C is equal to 2S. A plus B plus C is equal to 2S. So that's what is here. A plus B plus C is equal to 2S. So 3S minus 2S is equal to 20. S is equal to 20. Now area of the triangle is equal to square root of, you know the Heron's formula. And now you know the value of S. S you know is 20. S minus, you don't know A, but what is S minus A directly? 8. What is S minus B directly? 7. You don't know the three sides. You don't know the three sides, but you know the difference straight away. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So substitute. S minus A is 8. This one is 7. This one is 5. And then, yeah, 20 root 14. All right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please work. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, children. This is easy. You can do this yourself. Please work this. Read the question, go through the answer, understand, and then start working. Done, children? Finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute, ma'am.
All right, all right. Yeah, yeah. Understood, Madhumita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Completed, ma'am.
All right. Understood, children? Simple one, actually.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, yeah, good. This one also is very simple. You can help yourself. Do this. Consecutive integers meaning? Consecutive meaning one after the other. So x plus 1, x plus 2. Consecutive meaning one after the other. Like 6, 7, 8. X plus 1, x plus 2. None, children?
2 minutes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, do this. Let's see if you can do this correctly. Yes, children, try this. Finish, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Been waiting for the answer. You should told me. What's your answer, Madhumita? What's the perimeter? Yes, Madhumita.
Completed one.
8 plus 4 root 2, ma'am.
Who got 8 plus 4 root 2?
Ma'am, Netra.
Very good. Let me see. Others? Danya and Madhumita?
Yes, ma'am. 8 plus 4 root 2.
Very good. Okay. Let's see the answer. Now, the area of an isosceles right triangle is 8 centimeters square. So, area of a triangle is half base into height. So, you can call it A units. So, half into A is equal to 8. You can see the diagram also. So, this is the base. This is called the base. Area is 8. Half into BC into AB is equal to 8. Substitute half x into x because equal sides are AB and BC. 8, so x square is 16, x is equal to 4. Now by Pythagoras theorem, you can find the other side AC. You know AB is x and BC x. You can find AC using Pythagoras theorem. So when you work that half base into height, half x into x is equal to 8, you'll be able to find the value of x. Once you get x, you can, find out the values of sorry, what was I telling you? Well, yeah, once you find the value of x, then you find the hypotenuse using Pythagoras theorem, which is 4 root 2. So you have the equal sides 4 centimeters and the hypotenuse 4 root 2. Area is sum of the 3 sides. First of all, the area is given. 8 centimeters square. So half into base and height is equal to 8. So working that you get x square is 16, x is 4. This is Pythagoras theorem. Substitute the values and find AC. Perimeter is equal to 4 plus 4. Because isosceles, no, two sides are equal. 4 plus 4 plus 4 root 2. All right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can just read and recall this. Or if you want to write this in your book, you can please write down. I'll wait for 2 minutes. Done writing, children? Finish writing, children?
2 minutes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Others?
Yes, ma'am.
2 minutes.
Oh, yeah. All right. I hope it's done by everybody.
Yes, ma'am. Come.
All right. Oh, sorry, I came to a different slide. Is this over, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do this.
I'm completed. Ma'am.
Completed, ma'am.
And completed.
Yeah, what's the answer, children?
450 centimeter square.
450, is it? 450, is it, Netra?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? I'm getting 225. Please check. The base is 30. That means the hypotenuse is 30. The base is 30. In an isosceles right triangle, base is the hypotenuse. That is 30. So the equal sides will be x. So we'll find x using Pythagoras theorem. Then the area is half base into height, half into x, which is x squared. But x squared is 450. We just found x squared is 450. So substitute. So we get area of triangle ABC is equal to 225. All right. Yeah, you can take a picture of this one, children. You can try this later. Copy the question and leave some place. Copy the question, leave some space for the answer, take a screenshot, work it later. Done writing the question?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Yeah, we have done this. Take a picture. You should do this again. Write the question, children, and leave some space. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meters square. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meters square. I said write the question, leave some space for the answer and complete this later. We've already done this earlier. All right. Yeah, this also take a picture, children. Again, write down the question, leave some space for the answer. Yeah, try this one, children. What's the perimeter?
Working, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, perimeter is 36 centimeter.
36 centimeter. Yeah. All of you check your answer.
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah. So area is given, from that we can find the side and hence the perimeter. What's the formula to find the altitude of an equilateral triangle? Formula to find the altitude of an equilateral triangle?
√3/2 into S, ma'am.
3/2 into side. Very good. Or √3/2a. √3/2 into a, or √3/2 into side. Is the formula to find the height or altitude of an equilateral triangle. These are. So the perimeter of this figure will be what, children? AB plus BC plus CD plus AD, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you add BD?
No, ma'am.
No. It's only the length of the boundary. It's only the length of the boundary. So it's AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. That's all. Then when you find AB using Pythagoras theorem, you'll get 10. Find AB using Pythagoras theorem, you'll get 10. So area of this triangle will be half base into height. And area of this triangle is √3/4a square. You can find AB using Pythagoras theorem. Then you can find the area of triangle ABD using the formula half base into height. Then the area of the other triangle BCD, which is an equilateral triangle, using √3/4 into a square. Then the area of the quadrilateral. Figure is a quadrilateral. Area is 1 plus 2 and perimeter is AB plus BC plus CD plus AD, not plus BD. You should not add BD. Yeah, take a picture. One is a right triangle whose area is half base into height. The other is an equilateral triangle whose area is √3/4 into side square. Add to find the area of the quadrilateral. Take a screenshot. Okay. Now here in this figure, we are given a quadrilateral ABCD. And look at the information given. BD is 64. The length of this diagonal BD, this one is 64. And then AL is 16.8 and CM is 13.2. So see how it is worked. So find the area of one triangle or find the area of the triangle ABD, half base into height. Find the area of triangle BCD, half base into height. Add both to find the area. Or you can directly use this formula. Okay, you can directly use this formula. What is the formula? Half D into H1 plus H2. Half into D into H1 plus H2. Half into D, area of a quadrilateral. Given information of this sort is half D into H1 plus H2. Half into diagonal, any one diagonal, BD or AC, any one diagonal, into the sum of the heights on that diagonal, sum of the altitudes on that diagonal. So according to this one, it is half into diagonal BD into the sum of the altitudes on the diagonal BD. So it will be AL plus CM. You can directly find the area of that you can directly find the area of the not trapezium, what's this quadrilateral. You can directly find the area of this quadrilateral using the formula half D into H1 plus H2. Half into BD into H1 into H2, which is AL plus CM. Oh, sorry, not half H into, sorry. Half D into H1 plus H2. Square units. That is half into D is much we found D, dt diagonal, or in other words, D is BD here into H1 AL plus H2 C. So half into 64 into 16.8 in plus 13.2. So this will be what? Half into 64 into 30. So on cancelling 2 and 30, or you can cancel 2 and 64, 32. So 32 into 30 would be 960 centimeters squared. You can also work like this using the formula half D into H1 plus H2. Take a screenshot, children.
Taken, ma'am.
Yeah. All this we have done earlier. Yeah, this is important. Just take a picture. Very important question. Take a picture. We have done this earlier. Taken a screenshot, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Mom.
Yeah. Yeah, this is also an important question. We did this, I think, in the last class. Take a picture. Practice these questions again, children. Practice them again.
Taken, ma'am.
Yeah. Have I done this in the class, children? Using Heron's formula, find the area of an isosceles triangle with base x and side y units. No, I don't think. Yeah. Take down this question and work the answer. I'll explain. Let me just check the rest of the slide, meaning rest of the presentation. This is done. Yeah, this is done. Yeah, only this one remaining. See, we have two things to do. This is using Heron's formula, find the area of an equilateral triangle of side A units. This I've done for you. This is using Heron's formula, find the area of an isosceles triangle with base x and side y, sides meaning the equal sides y units. First work this. First work this one, children.
completed, ma'am.
All right. So again, this is important. This is the first question or something in the second exercise in Heron's formula. First question, I'm not very sure, but it is from NCRT. Important question. This is also important, children. Watch this one. Class, use the emoji, raise your hand. Netra, Danya, Tanishka, Madhumita, Raja, Pejana. Thank you, children. Please continue. Using Heron's formula, find the area of an isosceles triangle with base x and sides y units. I'm just coming, children. Please write. Done writing, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is deriving the the formula to find the area of an isosceles triangle using Heron's formula. Given that the base of the isosceles triangle is x units and the equal sides are y units each. So equal sides y units each, base x. So semi-perimeter x plus y by 2. Y plus y is 2y. So x plus 2y by 2. You cannot cancel 2 and 2. 2 and 2 you cannot cancel because x plus 2y, the terms x and 2y are connected by the plus sign. So this is one whole thing. You cannot see if it was x into 2y by 2. X into 2y by 2. X and 2y are connected by the multiplication sign. So then they are free. You can cancel 2 and 2. But when x and 2y are connected by the plus or the minus sign, you cannot disturb them. This is one whole thing. When it's divided by 2, you cannot cancel like this. When the sign is plus or minus in the middle, you cannot cancel. If it's multiplication, you can. So x plus 2y by 2. Now this is the Heron's formula. So area of triangle ABC is equal to square root of S. This is S into S minus A, which is X, S minus B, which is Y, and S minus C, which is Y again. So this one comes as it is. And then all the remaining 3 brackets, you will have to take the LCM. Here, here, and here, common denominator, which is 2. Everywhere it's 2. So it becomes X plus 2Y minus 2X. X plus 2Y minus 2Y. X plus 2Y minus 2Y upon taking the LCM. Then this one as it is, this one as it is. When you simplify the like terms, minus 2x plus x is minus x. So 2y minus x. Here, plus 2y minus 2y gets cancelled, x by 2. Cancelled x by 2. So till here, it's about taking the LCM, simplifying the like terms. Now, if you see in the it's a product everywhere. In the numerator, you can see 2x. So 1x comes out. And in the denominator, you can see 4 2's. So 2 2's come out. 2 2's come out. So it's all multiplication, children. It's all multiplication division. This one divided by 2 into this one divided by 2 into this one divided by 2 into this one divided by 2. It's all multiplication division. So you can count how many x's you have. 2. 1 will come out of the square root. How many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. So 2 2's will come out of the square root. And now what remains under the square root? So square root of x plus 2y into 2y minus x. But you can write this 2y, x plus 2y as also 2y plus x because you have 2y minus x here. So we'll write this one as 2y plus x. This is 2y minus x. So let's write this as 2y plus x. Like it's like b plus a. Let's write it as a plus b. Since we have 2y minus x here, we'll write this one as 2y plus x. So 2y minus x into 2y plus x, and this is x by 4. X by 4. So now this is like a plus b into a minus b, which is a squared minus b squared. A squared, this is a squared minus b squared. It's not a squared like this. It's not a squared like this. A squared is not like this. A squared minus b squared is not like this. A squared. So it is 4y squared minus x squared. So it's nothing but the base by 4. The formula to find the area of an isosceles triangle is base divided by 4 into square root of 4 times the square of the equal side minus base square. I've given you this formula the last class. While solving one of the questions, I told you this formula. X is the base, so base by 4 into square root of 4 times y square. What is y? Each equal side. 4 times y square minus x square minus the base square. Is it okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I think this file I finished everything. Yeah. Yeah, take a picture, children. These are important. Take a picture. We have done this earlier, children. We have already finished this. Take a picture now. Please practice the sum again. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. This one, which we just did in the test.
Taken, ma'am.
Yeah. This is when the side is doubled.
Taken, ma'am.
Yeah, good. All of you. Don't ignore these questions. Very important from the examination point of view. Please practice. Okay. Yeah, this is the one from NCRT. A traffic signal board. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. So this is how we find. Okay, using Heron's formula. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. Now, if its perimeter is 180 centimeters, what will be the area of the board? So now we found the area. Again, you don't have to use Heron's formula. Now we have derived the formula. So perimeter is 180, 3A is 180, A is 60. Now you can use this formula and find the area of the triangle. First, you have to find the area of an equilateral triangle with side A units using Heron's formula. See here, find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. The side is A units. The signal board, it's an equilateral triangle of side A units. They want you to find the area of this triangle using Heron's formula. So this is what it is. And after that, if its perimeter is 180 centimeters. So perimeter is 180, meaning 3A is 180, A is 60. What will be the area? So root 3 by 4A square, because we just derived. This is the area. This is a formula to find the area. And then A is 60. And find the area. That's all, children. One more, I'll just. Yeah, we'll wind up today's session with this one. With this, we come to the end of Heron's formula. What is the current chapter in your school, children? Have they finished quadrilaterals? Is quadrilaterals done in your school?
Yes, ma'am.
Fully done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What's the current? What about Netra, Raja, Srijana? Srijana? Quadrilaterals are over? Netra?
No, ma'am. They are currently taking congruent triangles.
Okay, Raja?
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am, because I'm not going to school right now. I'm on OD.
Oh, I don't understand that OD. What's that?
I'm on permission
Okay.
because there's an upcoming CBSE match on 2nd to 4th of December.
Oh, all right, all right. Okay, okay. What about Srijana? What's the current chapter in Z school?
Surface area and volume, ma'am. They just completed and started statistics.
They finished volumes and surface area and started statistics, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Netra, you said volumes and surface area. Rajan is not sure and Srijana is not responding. All right. Netra, have you learned volumes and surface areas?
They're also taking that also. Ma'am.
Oh, Simon, you have two different teachers for maths, is it?
No, ma'am, only one teacher, ma'am.
Oh, but she's open to chapters simultaneously.
Yes, ma'am.
Who teaches you?
Ma'am, sir, ma'am, called Baron.
All right. So here, the triangular side, you can see a flyover here, children. This figure represents a flyover. You can see the car coming, meaning trying to go up the flyover like this and like this. All right. So you can see three vehicles on the flyover right now. And there are two cars going, okay, there's one car going underneath and another one like this. So now if you notice the flyovers, maybe tomorrow when you go out, just notice the flyovers. You can see the triangular portion here like this. You can see the triangular portion here. Not finding my pointer. Triangular portions here like this and like this. Okay, so these triangular portions are let out on rent for advertisements. These triangular portions have been let out by the government for advertisements. So the government earns like this. The government earns by renting out this wall, the side walls of the flyover to the companies for advertisements and earns money. Now what is given? The side walls, the sides of the walls are 122, 22 and 120 meters. The advertisements yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired both the walls for 3 months. Okay, so some particular company hired the walls, both the walls for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? Okay, children. So see here. So a particular company hired this triangular portion and this triangular portion for 3 months. For 3 months. So how much rent does this company owe to the government is the question. So let's find the area of this triangular portion of the wall using Heron's formula. You know the sides 122, 22 and 120 and you know how to find the area. Find the area. It's 1320 meters square. So the area of this triangular portion is 1320 meters square. So the same will be here 1320 meters square, which means the area of both the side walls is 1320 into 2, 2640 meters square. Is this fine till here, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so area of one triangular portion is this and both the triangular portions will be this. The company has hired both the walls. Okay, now coming to the payment. How much should it pay? 5,000 rupees per meter square. Now, the total area the company has hired is 2,640 meters square. 2,640 meters square. The total area the company has hired is 2,640 meters square. Okay, keep that in mind. Now, what is the yearly rent? 5,000 rupees. See here, rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. So when you divide 5,000 by 12, you will get the monthly rent per meter square. See, 5,000 is the rent for 12 months. 5,000 rupees is the rent for 12 months. When you divide by 12, this is the monthly rent per meter square. It's not the monthly rent, it's the monthly rent per meter square. For 1 meter square, this is the monthly rent. Because this is the yearly rent per meter square. 5,000 is the yearly rent for 1 meter square. So when you divide 5,000 by 12, you get the monthly rent, not the total monthly rent. The monthly rent per meter square for 1 meter square. The monthly rent for 1 meter square. So the rent paid by the company for 3 months. For 3 months will be, this is the total area. This is the total area the company has hired into 5,000 by 12 will be the rent, the monthly rent. 1 month's rent. See, this is the area hired into 5,000 by 12 will be the monthly rent. Into 3 will be for 3 months. Into 3 will be for 3 months. The rate or the rent is 5,000 by 12 meter square. This is the rate per meter square for 1 meter square. So for 1 meter square, it is 5,000 by 12. So for 2,640 meter square, it will be into 2,640 into 5,000 by 12. This is per month because divided by 12, no, this is per month into 3 for 3 months. The total area hired into the monthly rent, 5,000 by 12 per meter square. This is the monthly rent. So into the total area will be the total monthly rent for 2,640 meters square. Into 3 will be for 3 months. You can also, understand like this. 2,640 into 5,000. When you multiply this by 5,000, you have found the yearly rent. You have found the yearly rent. When you simply multiply 2,640 by 5,000, you're finding the you're finding the yearly rent. This is the total area into 5,000 is the yearly rent. So divide by 12. This is the monthly rent. Multiply by 3. This is for 3 months. That's what it is. See, I'm showing you again. This is the area. When you multiply by 5,000, this is the yearly rent. 5,000 is the yearly rent per year. 5,000 per year per meter square. 5,000 is for 1 year, for 12 months, for 1 meter square. So into 2,640 meter square will be for 1 year. Divide by 12. This is per month. Multiply by 3 for 3 months. That's exactly what we've done here. So this is the money the company has to pay for 3 months. Yeah, take a picture, children. Done? Yeah. All right, children. So that's it for today's class. And from Friday, so as discussed in the last class, we'll be meeting on every Tuesday and Friday from 6:45 to 9 p.m. So from this Friday, we'll start the physical sessions. There'll be no change with that. Things were just getting not delayed, actually. There was a lot of work. So probably I was, not calculating the time properly. So every work needed some amount of time, and 2 things were not, I was not able to perform 2 different activities on the same day. So like that, each thing on a different day. So it has actually taken this time. So probably I just want to get started with the physical session soon. And I was like, it'll get over in 1 week. So I was like promising for the last, I think, more than a week. But finally, Friday, from Friday, we'll have the physical sessions. At the center, the address is already shared with you. from 6:45 to 9. Every Tuesday and Friday from 6:45 to 9. All right, children. Thank you so much. You may leave the call.
Thank
Good
you.
night. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Good night.